Well, hello there, Pyros. Pyro 9 here. And I got another honest review from a Pyro's point of view. Picked up another one, as you can tell here. This is the Parris Cowboy Collection. It's the Big Tex. Got the little belt buckle here. These are meant for kids, obviously. You can see my hand is way bigger though. Anyway, this one is a little bit different than the ones I've been playing around with, as the others were 8-shot. This one here is 12. And managed to get some of the 12-shot ring caps. Now, I picked this up local. None of this was done online. I got it at my Bass Pro Shops for 20 bucks, $3 on the caps. Not a bad price. What I like about this one is it has a spot where you can actually oil the gun, unlike the other metal one. So you can keep your trigger nice and oiled for many fires. Secondary thing I like about it is it has the release right there. Not bad. Now, how's it sound, you ask? Well, let's give it a shot. 12-shot ring caps, Big Tex. Wow, that was kind of weak. Oh man, this is almost beginning to sound like the rifle I got. I'm not satisfied with that. On an honest review, I'll give it more a 4 out of 10.